What's up everyone, this is MindBlank, welcome back to my channel and I hope you enjoyed the purple ORIOLE build, my new old editing PC. Pairing purple and gold has been a recent water cooling dream of mine and I am proud to say that I've finally done it. I hope it's, pretty self-explanatory what parts were used here, except a few stuff that I forgot to mention like the type of coolant. Well, it's Mayhem's white pastel and I've used purple and UV pink dye to get the desired final color. Also haven't mentioned the GPU, but this is just an RX 480. If you're wondering why the odd choice, well, I've been running a GTX 1070 in here for around 1 year or so, but I've split my gaming activities to another water-cooled system, also featured here on the channel, so I had no particular need anymore for the power it brought. I mean, the only GPU intensive tasks I do now are Overwatch short breaks and Premiere Pro, which doesn't really see a significant loss in rendering performance compared to the 1070. Besides this, I thought it would be interesting since this AlphaCool water block has the ports on the side as opposed to the front like most water blocks do nowadays. These gorgeous custom cables were provided by Julian from Purple Banana and the design was up to him based on the 3 colors I wanted. Suffice to say, these exceeded all my expectations, they're extremely high quality and made with care, so if you're looking for some awesome cables, check his website out, linked in the description. The only issues I've run into are with the pump and reservoir, both from Ryzen Tech. The reservoir has a metal plug that protrudes around 2 mm or so, not allowing adjacent fittings to stay flush to the reservoir cap. Coolant would spill over when the system was off, so I had to file it down so it's now flush with the cap. And the second problem is that the potentiometer attached to the pump decided to die in the first 30 minutes of runtime. Besides this, all is okay, and let me know if you have any more questions in the comments down below, but don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and yeah, I've got an account there as well now, and thank you for supporting this channel by subscribing. See you sooner than last time, bye bye.